With many of us headed towards distance learning or hybrid models this fall, creating instructional videos and screencasts for our students is going to be even more critical for our teaching and learning. Today I'm going to share with you a versatile and simple tool that I found that allows you not only to record your videos, but then also caption them. Today's video is going to focus particularly on open captions. Aren't aware of the difference between closed versus open captions. Closed captions are ones that your user or your viewer controls. They can turn them on and off. Open captions are baked in part of the video, so they're going to always be present for the viewer. So today's video is going to focus on open captions. I have some other accessibility videos planned, so be sure to subscribe for those future videos. Let's move to the computer and get started with today's demo. The tool I'm going to show you today is called Screencast-o-Matic. I'm here in the Chrome web store. I'm going to go ahead and install it. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Now you could also visit their website and install it there. So now I have this icon. And if you see that it disappears and you want it to stay, you can click the puzzle piece and then click the pin. Then it will stay. I'm going to go ahead and log into my Google account. You could also do this by visiting their website and register your account there. And then I came back to the Chrome extension and chose Launch Recorder. Now I have already installed the recorder on this particular device. So now I have my screen recorder screen up. And if you've used any of the other screencast options out there, this is very, very similar. You can record the screen, you can record the webcam, or you can record both, as well as change the size of the screen. One thing to note is that the captioning tool is part of their premium package. And I do have to say the premium account upgrade for Screencast-o-Matic is very affordable. And it ends up being slightly less than $20 for the year. And it provides a lot of neat features, including the captioning that I'm going to show you today. It has green screen capabilities, drawing tools, you can add and edit your videos. But today we're just focusing on captions. So I have a morning message here that I'm going to record for my students. I'm going to click the red record button. I get a countdown. Good morning, explorers! It is a fabulous Friday. I am so happy you are all here. Today, we are going to continue working on our long A sound. Now, I just went ahead and stopped it because I don't see my students for another month. So I wouldn't actually use this. So there's my recording. I'm going to click done. And I want to edit this video. This launches the editor. And you can see on the right-hand side, here are my captions. Screencast-o-Matic offers 3 different options for captioning. First is captions from a file. These could be specialized captioning files in SRT format and others, or even simple text files. They also offer you the ability to create your own captions from scratch. But I want to focus today on the speech to text. The way the speech to text works is when I hit start, it will send the audio to Google And using artificial intelligence, it is going to transcribe my audio into words. And I want you to see how quick this is. So are you ready? I'm going to click start, and over here on the right hand side, you're going to start seeing that transcription. Ready? Start. Waiting for a request. There we go. And we're done. Now, this is artificial intelligence. It is not going to be 100% perfect. I didn't follow some of my own tips for recording because I wanted to show you how easy this is to edit. My tips for recording is normally I would have my headset on with my microphone to have the best microphone quality. Second, I would speak very clearly, as well as include natural pauses, because that's going to provide the breaks between the captions. Because if you look what happened right here, it says, I am so happy, ... There's too much text to be displayed on the captions. So I'm going to need to edit this and provide the breaks. But it's super easy. I can press this blue button and then I can hear the captions. Let's try that. Good morning, explorers. It is a fabulous Friday. So that is a natural break. I'm going to come in here and edit. I'm going to want my explorers capitalized. Because these are open captions and I'm working with younger learners, this is another exposure to text and language for them. So I want to make sure I'm modeling my punctuation and my capitalization. And so that's where I want the break. So I'm going to click this sync point and my cursor is already blinking. And if I hit the return button, it automatically brings it down. So now I can go to my next little caption spot. I am so happy you are all here. That's great. Go to my next one. Today, we are going to continue working on our long A sound. Okay, we're not working on our long ASAP. We're working on our long A sound. So I can just come in here and edit it. Now I have done this with longer videos. I did about a 4-minute instructional video, being really mindful to speak clearly and deliberately, as well as include those pauses. And I was very impressed with the accuracy. I did have to make some adjustments with punctuation. There was a couple spelling for specialized vocabulary, and I had to sync a couple times. But overall, super easy, and for me, hands down, completely totally worth the $20 a year so that I can easily create and provide accessible content for my students. So now I'm going to click OK. Now you could edit this, cut out this section. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I want to show you how easy this is to then share with students. So I'm going to click done. And now you have a number of different options of what you want to do with this video. Because I want to use open captions, the only option that supports open captions is to save it as a video file. With all of these other options, you're going to lose those captions. Though I have another video that will show you how easily you can sync them back up again. But those would be closed captions. They would not be open captions that are displayed all the time. I'm going to click Save as a Video File because I want those open captions. Now I have some choices. I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. Morning message. You tell it where you want it to save. Here's a little tip if you're creating a lot of videos. Video files are large, and saving them locally is going to take up a lot of your storage space. So I have an external hard drive, and it's automatically routed to that, so I don't have to worry about that. I have cursor. I can choose to highlight cursor. That's what you see down here in the corner with the yellow. I'm going to leave that. But here's our open captions. Yes, I want them. It's going to be in English. Publish. Now it's publishing my morning message to my external hard drive. Notice here on the bottom you already see my open captions. And if I click play.
Good morning, explorers! It is a fabulous Friday. I am so happy you are all here.
So this video file is now ready to be uploaded into YouTube, Google Drive, your LMS, or whatever platform you're using to host your video content, and you have your open captions ready to go. I hope you learned something new about creating accessible videos using the tool Screencast-o-Matic and their open captions option. Be sure to subscribe and be on the lookout for my next video on how you can use this tool to create closed captions on whatever platform you're using. YouTube, Google Drive, your LMS, or something else. So until next time, bye everyone.